stirring cold, breath of hope, ready hearts to rise. We gather here in unity, faith reflected in our eyes. We cleared the ground, we broke the soil below, with a vision of where tomorrow's hope will grow. More than timber, more than concrete and steel, we're giving shape to a promise that is real. Building on a foundation of faith, we stand, watching miracles rise from the dust and the sand. With